So my name is Leon Jacobs. I'm a security researcher at SensePost, and I developed Objection, which is a dynamic instrumentation toolkit built on top of Frida that lets us pen test mobile applications quite easily.
So you're here for 2 days. So far, what's the coolest thing you've seen or the most interesting thing you've learned?
So we had quite a nice session so far. I really like the APK IDE tool that got shown recently. It's something I realized later, like we could absolutely use that quite more often. And yeah, it's still early sessions. I'm excited for the stuff that's left over, but that so far has been really cool.
So you sound like you've done lots of AppSec for both web and for mobile. How do you see mobile as being different from web AppSec and testing?
I think it's quite interesting given the ecosystem that mobile apps work in and the constraints that they have don't always mimic that which we have for typical desktop applications or even just an app that lives in a web browser. So given those constraints and how they interact with services, I think there's a lot of overlap with how you do web app testing. But at the same time, there are some uniquenesses in how two apps might interact with each other on a mobile device, given the platform that you're busy with. But to answer the question, I think there's a lot of overlap, but there's a lot of uniqueness as well, given how the mobile ecosystem works.
If I were to try to hack you, how would I do it?
You would have to try.